In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter jobs on LinkedIn using job filters. Whether you're actively looking for a new opportunity or just keeping an eye out for what's available, being able to efficiently filter through job listings can save you a lot of time and effort. Before we dive in, make sure you're already logged into your LinkedIn account. If you haven't done that yet, head over to linkedin.com, enter your credentials, and log in. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, you should see a search bar at the top of the page. This is your access point to begin finding job listings that match your interests. Next, click on the Search tab to open up the search bar. Here, think about the kind of roles you're interested in. Type in the job title that you're looking for into this bar. For instance, if you are aiming to find a position related to customer service, type that in. Hitting enter will bring up a list of results. However, we're not done yet, as this first list includes everything LinkedIn relates to your search terms: people, events, groups, content, and more. So let's narrow it down. After typing your desired job title, click on See All Results. This will display an extensive collection of listings related to your search query. To filter these, look for the Jobs option, which should be prominently displayed on the next screen. By clicking on Jobs, you're filtering your search to show only job listings, which is precisely what you need. Now, to refine your search even more, you have the option to apply additional filters. Look for the button labeled All Filters, typically found near the search bar. Clicking it will introduce several refining options. You can limit your searches by location, company, and industry, among other parameters. These filters can vastly narrow down your search to only those opportunities that fit your specific situation and preferences. For a more tailored approach to job hunting, you'll want to focus on keeping your search results up to date. One way to do this is by selecting Most Recent. This option ensures that you're viewing the freshest job postings, which can give you a leg up on the competition. If you're aiming for entry-level positions or internships, an additional filter is to select Entry Level. This will limit the postings to fit within this experience range. Lastly, confirm your selected filters by clicking on Show Results. This will update the job listing page according to the parameters you've set. By this point, your search results should closely align with your career objectives. Through these steps, LinkedIn becomes a powerful tool in your job hunt, tailored to show opportunities that meet your criteria. Don't forget to check back regularly and update your filters as your career goals evolve. Thanks for watching, and happy job hunting.